Want your sticky notes to stay visible even while you're working in other apps. In this tutorial, I'll explain how sticky notes behave in Windows, whether they support an always-on-top feature, and the best ways to keep your important reminders easy to see. Sticky notes are designed to stay on your Windows desktop, but they do not include a built-in option to remain above every other application. When another window is maximized, your notes may be hidden until you return to the desktop or move that window. One simple solution is to resize your application windows instead of maximizing them. So this lets you keep part of the desktop visible, so your sticky notes remain easy to view while you work. If you're using Windows 11, Snap layouts make it easy to organize multiple windows without covering your entire desktop. On Windows 10, you can use Snap Assist for a similar experience by placing applications side by side. If your notes are hidden, you can quickly return to them by minimizing your active windows or opening the Notes list from the Sticky Notes app. Your saved notes will still be there exactly as you left them. If you truly need sticky notes to stay above every application at all times, Windows doesn't offer that feature by default. Some third-party window management tools include an always-on-top option, but only download software from trusted sources and review its permissions before installing. And that's what you need to know about keeping sticky notes always on top. While the app doesn't include this feature natively, a few simple workspace adjustments can make your notes much easier to access throughout the day. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Windows guides, and thanks for watching.